welcome to TJ Vickers. Obviously you know we're in this second lockdown and we're operating in a slightly different way. The difference being mainly that workshop is still open and fully operational as it has been for the last 3 months. So when you come in this time, you'll find that we have this service sign telling you exactly where the new entrance is, and this is the entrance that needs to be used as all the other doors are locked. So if you follow me through basically this way, we'll go through the back door where you normally have left from in the past, and there's a one-way system in place. So before you come into the building, please wear masks as you are required to do and come on through. As you walk into the building, you'll see there's a sanitisation station here. As normal, use this, and you'll see there's a line here that we'd like you to stop at until you're called. Once you're called, come on all the way through to the desk here where you'll be dealt with on an individual basis. Same routine as before, keys in, we'll discuss your needs and then we'll move on. And then it is a simple case of walking through the one-way system, straight round and out through the door. I hope that you'll carry on using TJ Vickers as you have done in the past. Thank you very much, and hopefully together we can keep ourselves safe, you safe and your cars on the road.